According to published data, almost 1 in 5 project managers thought of leaving their jobs in 2020. In addition, only 29% of projects are completed on time, with only 35% of organizations being satisfied with their project management staff. Being a project manager requires a lot more things than just experience, and there are many ways to obtain these traits. Some of the responsibilities typically associated with project management are setting milestones, goals, and timeframes for project development, job delegation within the team based on skills and personalities, managing meetings and presentations for different stakeholders, writing and analyzing progress reports for upper management and clients, management of team culture, coaching and conflict resolution, smart tools and software. The position of project manager is a responsible one. Taking the right risks and taking advantage of opportunities that come your way is important. The more willing you are to learn, the more likely you will be to secure your dream job. If you are new here, welcome to my consulting channel. I'm Michael Tadros, the professor. I have a diversified experience for many years working as a project manager for Agile, Scrum, Lean, and conventional projects, as well as a consultant for startup businesses and entrepreneurs. Now, if you are wondering how to get into project management without prior experience, let's get to it. Number 1, have the right set of skills. When trying to lead a group, it's important that you have certain skills and qualities to help you face any challenge. This might be a little different depending on the field of the business you are working in, but some of them are standard for all. Some of the most important skills to work on are leadership. A good leader needs to be respected by the people they work with. This is an important skill as it will help you understand how a team functions. Good communication. Poor communications can seriously damage the way a team works. This is another one of the things that are up to the team leader to work on and improve. If you set a good example by being clear about your needs, expectations, and obligations, everyone will follow in your steps. Decision making. Making decisions can sometimes be hard when you have to decide for a group of people. A good leader should be able to define the pros and cons of a situation and make the necessary choices. This includes deciding what resources to use for the project, as well as which person will be in charge of which part of the project. Motivation. Motivating team members is a deciding factor of a team's success. As a project manager, you should be able to help motivate everyone to work hard and achieve their collective goals. This is something that will greatly reflect the way you work and your motivation to see the team succeed. Trust building. Building trust heavily relies on the relationships you build with your team members. Being honest and hardworking can help you build trust a lot easier. Coaching and team building activities are a major part of managing a team properly. So having these skills can greatly benefit your odds at employment. Conflict management. Resolving conflicts in your team will be something you will occasionally have to do. A team is made up of different people and they will not always get along. As a leader, you will have to ensure that everyone is able to work together well. Organization. Being able to organize different tasks and the responsibilities of each member is a crucial skill for any project manager. This includes duty delegation, project segmentation, and planning in accordance with your deadline and resources. All of these skills will help you better manage any team without any issues. You can work on improving or acquiring these skills through being a member yourself. Observe the leaders in any group you are participating in and see how they resolve situations. This will help you see what skills you lack and allow you to improve your chances of landing a manager job. Number 2, get the appropriate online education. Most people who want to start working as project managers don't necessarily have the working experience that is necessary to land a job. Getting online education and potentially the certifications you need is the next best thing. There are many ways for you to do this online at a reasonable price. You'll be able to find all kinds of different online courses based on your field of work. Some of the options available to you include Udemy. Udemy is a lifelong learning online platform with a vast repository of free and paid courses which you can partake in. In terms of project management, Udemy offers a list of courses ranging from Agile project management, PMP certification, and risk management. Coursera. While Coursera is the same vein as Udemy, its assortment of courses is completely different. Coursera also features free and paid courses depending on your budget and can help you learn a lot about project management. LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is considered one of the best choices for project management learning platforms. It offers a free trial, after which a premium subscription is required for further learning. EDX. If you are looking for project management courses that will cover all of the major industry pain points quickly, look no further than EDX. The platform will smoothly introduce you to the world of project management throughout its lineup of Agile, IT management, and project planning. By the way, the value of EDX lies in the fact that the platform serves as a proxy between you and major universities and companies offering these courses, meaning you will gain insight and certification from experts with practical knowledge of how moment-to-moment project management works. Number 3. Know how to use helpful tools and applications. Along with the soft skills necessary for the job, there are also certain hard skills that a project manager should have. Some of the tools you should be familiar with to compensate for your lack of prior project management experience include Google Workspace, formerly G Suite. In terms of general document and cloud data management, Google Workspace is a comprehensive enough suite of tools to get you started. It offers a variety of apps and tools for creating documents, presentations, tables, as well as allowing you to share said data with your team. Infinity. Infinity can provide you with a detailed platform for project planning, delegation, and progress overview. You can manage your project milestones, calendar, as well as customize the work environment to suit your team's exact needs quite easily. Trello. Trello helps teams collaborate, manage projects, and improve productivity. You can organize tasks using Trello boards, lists, and cards, and expand each project using task assignments, timelines, productivity metrics, calendars, and others. Asana. This software provides multiple project views, including list view, timeline, and boards. When it comes to task automation, Asana lets you create custom rules to automate common tasks and prevent human errors. Slack. It's hard to imagine remote work without a tool like Slack. The communication platform enables real-time messaging, audio, and video calls between 2 or more participants. Teams can create an unlimited number of public or private channels for different topics and projects, and decide which team members have access to which channels. Depending on the job you apply for, it might require you to know how to use different tools. It is up to you to show that you are willing to learn and eager to help your team reach success. Most tools will be fairly similar, so knowing how to work a few basic ones will make this job easier. Number 4. Create a strong resume. One of the biggest reasons why someone would choose you for a project manager job is the way you present yourself. There is no better way to show who you are other than your resume. Judging by gathered data, it takes recruiters on average of 6 seconds to determine a candidate's viability, with over 250 resumes submitted for corporate level positions. This is exactly why it is important to enhance your resume and make sure you give a good first impression. Your resume should focus mainly on your soft skills that were mentioned in the beginning, especially if you don't have formal project management experience. This will show how eager you are to work on a new project and excel. Every company will look for people that are hardworking and devoted. In addition, you should mention your past working and volunteering experience, even if it is in different field. Some of the general pointers you should follow in writing your resume without past experience in project management are: emphasize your formal education and any volunteering or internships you did during schooling. Write separate sections for soft and hard skills to indicate your passion for project management. Use keywords related to project management and the specific industry you are applying in. Keep the resume itself limited to a single page with portfolio or work samples as separate links. Edit and format your resume so that it doesn't contain any grammar or proofreading errors. Write a cover letter elaborating on your career plans and willingness to learn about the industry, etc. Knowing that you have been working and producing results will show employers you have carefully thought of choosing project management as your career path. Number 5. Apply for entry-level jobs. The first project manager job you apply for should always be an entry-level one. More advanced positions require people to have a certain amount of experience, so starting there is probably not the best idea. This is something that will help you increase your chances of actually landing the job and starting the journey. The questions you should prepare for in advance when it comes to project management positions include, but are not limited to: in your opinion, what are the responsibilities of a project manager? What is your leadership style and how can you build on it further? Do you see yourself building a long-term career in project management? What was your most successful project so far? What worked and what didn't work? What kind of project tools and resources are you familiar with? How do you handle conflicts and misunderstandings? Do you have experience in coaching? Why do you want to develop your project management skills in our company in particular? Please consider that some of these questions will pop up during your interview, so think about your answers in advance. Now, I believe you know how to prepare yourself to become a project manager without prior experience. Simply invest time into learning the right skills, terminology, and project management principles before you approach a big company and apply for its project management opening. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press subscribe, like, and share, and leave your questions or suggestions for future videos. I will be more than happy to reply and assist you. I look forward to talking to you at my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.